all-time high. That's my favorite word of the month. My stocks like Apple, Fastly, Fiverr, Pinterest are all at all-time highs. These are the stocks that I own in significant amount as well as making drastic move that my personal portfolio is now at all-time high as well. Yes. And today I'm going to share with you the next 3 stocks that I think might be the next blockbuster that I'm keeping in close eye. I'm going to share it with you with this very quick summary. So stick with me and I'll make sure it's worth your while. I need to come back down to earth, calm down. The stocks go up and down. When it goes up, celebrate. When it comes down, I'm comfortable because I am at the point where I feel my portfolio is fairly very well diversified. I still got areas that I want to fill in with additional cash that I've set on the side still. Leave a comment below if you are one of those good old fellow followers that have been with me on this journey that have bought the likes of Fiverr, Pinterest, Uber, Apple, Fastly, CrowdStrike. You know my list. You can go back to my old videos and watch them. If you are those followers, please leave a comment below and high five. Coming up next is this 3 blockbuster share which I'm going to share with you. So please stay throughout the whole video because I'm going to explain why, my findings, and why I'm calling it a quick summary. This is not going to be a full-blown reason why I've made the mistake by not releasing my videos fast enough because I'm still a one-man band. So I'm releasing a quick advanced video of what I'm thinking just now. You guys can do your own research while I'm doing my own research. And when we meet in between, you can make the decision, or some of you might be even way faster than me, you can make your own decision. So I'm giving you guys the head start that I'm getting as well. I do not want to share information where it's already past. It happened in the past, and that's not my point on YouTube and Facebook here. I want everybody to make money. I'm not here to show my portfolio. I want to know that everyone is making good money. Okay? Okay, it's an established company. It's a consumer specialist. You know this. I know this. Everybody knows this. It's Sony. Yes. Oh my God. Sony. What's great about Sony? Sony has been there since day one in the 80s. One of the most bought technology stocks. And then the likes of Samsung came, Apple came, and everybody took the thunder. Sony has been gone down very small. Making TVs, making PlayStation, making cameras. And now, boom! Sony is back, guys. Sony is back. I'm going to give you my quick fundamental reasons why Sony is back. Okay? Esports. Like Sony PlayStation, esports. And do you know Sony has spent 250 millions trying to invest in the Fortnite company Epic? Yeah. Who's the one that stopped the whole esport momentum for the likes of Activision, Take-Two, and EA? It's this company game called Fortnite. They've got the PlayStation 5 coming up. Loads of games, and the last earnings PlayStation 4, and the catalog has just blown everyone across waters. And Sony is bidding Canon. Sony has stopped Olympus. Even Olympus stopped making cameras because of Sony. You've got Canon, even Kodak's not making cameras anymore. And Sony is just stealing loads of the camera industry. And lastly, Sony's earnings just came out. It broke estimation. Instead of minus 30%, it's minus 24%. And the growth, it's not even got its new PlayStation games yet. It's not even got its new super cameras that's been releasing. So a lot of high potential coming into Q3, Q4, Q1 next year. And one thing that helps me in my research is I use stockcard.io. Okay? If you don't have time to do a research, when somebody asks me, some of you guys ask me, Alex, what's this stock? What's that stock? I use stockcard.io. And for Sony, stockcard.io on the screen here, high growth potential. Outperform the market and also undervalued stock. Even sitting at 81. I agree that Sony is still undervalued. I think there's still room for growth up to 100. I think I can see Sony going to 100. Join Trading 212 today to enjoy the ease of investing, partial shares,
and then really quick app that you can use on your phone and all the desktop as well. So I highly recommend Trading 212, and I'm right in the middle of Loch Lomond here, telling you all the best stuff. So catch you soon.
Second stock that I like, it's a semiconductor powerhouse. It's not Nvidia, it's not AMD, it's not Qualcomm, it's not Broadcom, it's not Intel, it's Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM, that's the ticker. I like this stock. I actually wrote an article about this stock being the most undervalued stock in the world back in 2017. So check out the link on my, after Intel's announcement that they're missing out, they're passing on to third supplier, TSM, and now they've exploded from 50, 60, 70, 80. TSM has got so much room for growth. And do you know, TSM also pays dividends. It's a growth company that pays dividends and it's growing dividends. I'm not going to complain. And it's got a ticker in the US market as TSM, but in Taiwan it's TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor. Why do I think TSM will be another big hit? It's already grown so much, Alex. How much more room for growth? It's still got room for growth, guys. It supplies to everyone. You know, Apple is supplying this new ARM processor, the breaking of Intel. Who's going to be making those chips? TSMC. AMD is breaking off their new server network CPU. Who's going to be building a chip? TSMC. Nvidia is building their the new next generation chip. Who's going to be building it? Again, TSMC. TSMC is involved. So do you know they're going to be building the new branch in India? They cannot rely on Chinese manufacturing every time. The China, because of the war between Trump and the Chinese and everything, they're starting to move to India. So TSMC, let's go to Stockio with the quick. So if you don't know what to do in your research, where to go, you're not sure, go to Stockio, link below. Okay, from the chart here, strong operations, fair growth potential. I can't blame the AI on this because it's just grown so much, so they think there's no more room for growth, but it's expected for the future EPS, so it takes time for this to change. Outperform the market, yes, I like that. Overvalued stock, fair enough. They've gone significantly up, but then remember, we are investing in future values of a company. You know, if you look, over excites investor with good simple moving average, short interest, you know, it's a lot of. Wait for my future videos for more detailed breakdown, technical analysis, P&L. That's in the future for me to share with you. Still looking for a broker? Don't wait. Join Hargreaves Lansdown. I use it for my family, my pension, the kids' investment, all in one basket. It's a really good company, great security, amazing products. You'll not regret it. So join Hargreaves Lansdown today. Okay, the last one. Okay, so I've been to Japan, I've been to Taiwan, now I'm flying to Holland. Okay, another superly undervalued stock. It's still a semiconductor, but a different kind of semiconductor stock, guys. Okay, this is STM. That's the ticker, Stmicro Electronics from Holland. Okay, NV. So who is STM? So STM semiconductor stocks. I know when you say semiconductor, you think Nvidia, AMD, Broadcom, Qualcomm, Nokia, Samsung, all these guys. But STM produces, you know, microcontrollers. They produce 3D printing products. They produce loads of industrial related semiconductor. The thing I like about them in the Stockio card, if you check quickly, it will outperform the market. It's an undervalued stock. Undervalued stock. Guys, I think potentially if things explode here, I think it might be a double or triple bagger. But I need to do my research in my detailed video. I'm not going to claim this here. I'm just speaking out of my own free mind. Every semiconductor stock around the world is exploding, except for Intel, of course. It's just going, the world is changing with 5G, the world is changing with smaller phones, better high-powered products with low battery consumption. That's where we're going. But if you look at the chart, STM, the company, it's still not grown to where it should be if you're putting this in the same basket as semiconductor. Maybe because it's European, it can't be. Samsung, TSM are up high. So I think people are still not exploring the possibilities of this being a real explosive stock. Think about it. I think the industry where STM will really excel in is the EV market, the electric vehicles. Okay, the cars that we have, yes, it's, you know, the olden cars, it's all moving components, but now cars have got more They've got more chips, CPU, processor, but they need all the semi-controllers. They need all these microcontrollers controlling this instrumentation of the cars. And that's where STM comes in. We know about Tesla, but look, we've got Audi, BMW, we've got all these European Nissan cars, Japanese cars coming in. Lots of European cars moving to the EV route. STM will be there, providing this microcontrollers there. So I see a potential, but bear with me. Let me do my research and share. Okay, that's me now. That's me. That's my presentation over. So I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy my quick review. Hopefully to help you put a footstep hole quickly while I do my research and you can do your research as well, that we can share. It's a two-way traffic. Follow me on Facebook. I do speak occasionally, quite regularly from Facebook. It's easy to release information with posts. And also, if you're new to my channel, please click like or subscribe for more future videos. Do follow me, and hopefully I'll get these 3 videos out soon, get my research done in the future. But for the time being, check out Stockio, the link below. You can sign up for a free account. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. I want to hear from you. Like I said, it's a two-way traffic. I want to learn from you too. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye.